Most scrapers don't fail because of bad code. They fail because the website spotted a bot before a single byte of data was even loaded. It comes down to the signals you probably don't even know you're leaking. So, in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how sites catch scrapers. It happens across 4 layers, and once you know which one's flagging you, the fix gets simple. Let's start with what stops you first. Layer 1 is the network. It checks your IP before reading anything else. Data center IPs from cloud providers get flagged fast on protected sites, because real people don't browse from a server farm. So how do you get past it? It's simple. Switch to residential proxies and match their location to the language headers you send. With Decodo, the gateway rotates your exit IP automatically on every request, which means no proxy pool for you to manage. But your IP is only the first checkpoint. Layer 2 is TLS, or Transport Layer Security, and this one trips up a lot of people. Even with a perfect Chrome user agent, your connection sends its own signature during the handshake. If that signature says Python while your header says Chrome, you're caught instantly. That means your tools need to match a real browser's handshake, not just its headers. Get past TLS, and the next stop is Layer 3, your browser. Default tools send an incomplete set, and the gap alone gives you away. Real Chrome sends a full, consistent one in a specific order. The fix is to send the complete header set. Save headless browsers for sites that truly need JavaScript, since they're slower and leak signals of their own. Nail the headers, and there's still one giveaway left. Layer 4 is your behavior. Sites watch how you move. A bot that fires requests every 2 seconds exactly looks nothing like a human. So just randomize your timing instead. Real people pause, scroll, and read at uneven speeds, and your scraper should too. All 4 layers really come down to one goal: passing as a real user. And that's exactly what a CAPTCHA checks, which is where most people get it wrong. Take reCAPTCHA v3. It's not a puzzle at all. It's a silent score that rates how human you look from 0 to 1. And that score comes straight from those 4 layers. Get them right, and it stays high enough that the challenge never shows up. No solver needed. But when a target is just too tough to handle piece by piece, you don't have to. Decodo's web scraping API handles the whole thing for you. Proxies, fingerprints, JavaScript, and CAPTCHAs, all behind one request. You can try it for free. So the next time you get blocked, don't guess. Work down the 4 layers, and you'll find the one that's stopping you. We kept it short, but the blog post linked below has the full code, talks about sticky sessions, and explains the more advanced anti-bot tricks we skipped. And if this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next one.